Goody ma'am, my name is Jessica Idrinato. I am veteran IA1. What is software and why it is important in ICT? Software is a set of instruction, data, or program used to operate computers and execute specific tasks. It is the intangible part of computer system in contrast to the physical hardware. Software acts as an intermediary between the user and the hardware. The user interacts with the software through a user commands that hardware can understand and execute. System software is a type of software designed to manage and control computer hardware and provide a platform for running applications. Software is as a foundation upon which other software runs. Operating system example include Windows. They manage all hardware and software resources, providing a user interface and platform for running application. Application software is designed to perform specific service to user. It runs on top of system software. Software manage the hardware and provides a platform for application. Application software performs user-oriented tasks. The example of application software. First one is word processor, Microsoft Word, Google Docs, and edit documents, social media apps, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Connect with people online. Software is essential because it outcomes tasks, improves efficiency, and enables new capabilities across various industries. It can be customized through programming and configuration to meet the specific needs of different businesses and organizations. Software impacts daily life through communication tools, entertainment, information access, and task management in studies. And it aids learning and research in future careers. Software proficiency is often essential for various roles. Thank you. Bye-bye.